Hello everyone. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I'm your spoken English and aptitude trainer. And today I'm again back to you with a new lesson on spoken English. And in today's session, I'll be discussing with you guys about vocabulary. Okay, so what vocabulary is exactly and its importance, especially in spoken English, and few ways to help you build up your vocabulary. Okay, so let me begin with the very first thing with what vocabulary is exactly. Okay, so guys, if I talk about the definition which Wikipedia has given, then vocabulary is defined as basically all the words which are known and spoken by a person. Okay, so you can say that the the more words you know, the richer your vocabulary is. Okay, so this is one thing about vocabulary. The more English words you know, the better your vocabulary is. Now talking about the importance of vocabulary in spoken English, guys. When it comes to discussing about the things, when it comes to expressing yourself, then I believe that the more words you know, the better you will be able to express yourself. Because sometimes, or you can say many a times, it happens that during a conversation with our friends or whenever we are attending a meeting, so in that meeting, when we are putting forth our ideas before our teammates, before our boss, so in that specific situation, sometimes it happens because it has happened with me. So I believe that it can happen with anyone. So you just simply miss that one word. You want to use that word, you want to express yourself, but you miss that one word. So here comes the importance of vocabulary. Okay, so if your vocabulary is strong, you will be able to express yourself in a better manner. Okay, so this is one of the most important aspect of vocabulary. Okay, so when it comes to vocabulary, so it covers basically all the major areas of communication, whether it is your written English, whether it is your when you have to listen to somebody, or when you have to speak. So in all these three major domains, vocabulary plays a very important role. Okay, why? Because when it comes to reading, suppose you are reading a newspaper, you are reading an article on web, or you are just reading anything which is there in English. So what happens during while reading that paragraph or while reading that article, you may come across new English word, you may come across new vocabulary. So here in this situation, if you do not know the meaning of that word, then it might happen that you will not be able to understand the meaning of that entire sentence. So again, here vocabulary plays a very important role. So and again, when it comes to spoken English, as I already have told you, that while speaking, there may be many situations where you have to express yourself, and if you are running out of words, you will not be able to express yourself fully before the people with whom you are communicating simply. So that is why vocabulary plays a very, 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 very important role in spoken English, especially in spoken English. And similar cases with written English also, because let's say for example you are working with an organization, with an MNC, and you have to type an email, you have to shoot an email to your boss or to many people in the same organization. So if your vocabulary is not rich, if you are not good at English words, then you might face few problems while writing that email. Okay, so in that condition you might be taking help of your colleague, you might be taking help of somebody in your family who might be having a very good vocabulary. So all these situations you may come across. So that is why there in the case of written English also vocabulary plays a very important role. And when it comes to listening, suppose you are uh, watching a web series on Netflix, or you are listening to an English song, or you are watching an English movie. Might be so many words which you might not be knowing. Okay, so now comes the importance of enhancing your vocabulary, because once you start enhancing your vocabulary, that will be very helpful for you in all these areas, whether it comes to listening, or when it comes to writing, or when it comes to speaking. So in all these three areas it will help you. So now I'll be giving you few ways to help you build up your vocabulary. So guys, first and foremost, the most important way which I would suggest you to help you build up your vocabulary is to read. Read as much as possible, guys. Read English newspapers, read articles on internet in English, read blogs in English on internet, read novels, read English books as much as possible. Because the more you read, the more English words you will come across, the more English words you will get to know. And even if you do not know the meaning of all those words, what you have to do, you simply have to write all those words down on a notebook or on a copy and search their meaning on Google. Okay, because see, if you start doing this thing, so with the passage of time, what you will do, you will actually start making a very good collection of your own vocabulary. Okay, so this is how you can enhance your personal dictionary, you can say, or your personal vocabulary. This is one way. Second way would be, which I would suggest you guys to watch English movies, to and again with subtitles. Okay, because watching English movies or watching English web series would really help you to improve your vocabulary. Because while watching, you will come across, you will get to know about many words, many new words. Okay, and the meaning of all those words you might not be knowing. So again, what is your task then? You simply have to somewhere quickly you have to write down that new word in your collection, and simply you have to, the next step is you have to search the meaning of that word in Google. So this was the second way with which you could build up your vocabulary. Okay, so now talking about the third way. So guys, the third way is, which I would suggest you to help you build up your vocabulary, is there is a book, the title of that book is Word Power Made Easy. Word Power Made Easy, and the author of this book is Mr. Norman Lewis. So guys, I would highly recommend this book for all of the people who actually want to enhance their vocabulary, who actually want to enhance their spoken English, who actually want to enhance their written English. Because this book on vocabulary is one of the best books available in the market, okay, which I have come across. And the speciality of this book is that this book will give you the root meaning, the etymological meaning of all the words. So what will happen if you know the root meaning of any one word? So all the different words which are possible through that root word, you will be able to get the meaning of all those different words. Okay, so that is why I would highly recommend you guys to use that book of Norman Lewis, and the title of book is Word Power Made Easy. Okay, so this was the third way. And now talking about the fourth way. So guys, the fourth way of building up your vocabulary, which I would recommend you, is to take the help of flashcards. Flashcards, it's a scientifically proven technique. Okay, so if you actually want to improve your level of vocabulary, if you want to learn more and more new words of English, so what you can do, uh, you simply have to take few flashcards. So on one side you have to write down that word, and at the back side of that card, what you can do, you can write the meaning of that word. So in this way you can have a collection of many flashcards. So what you can do while revising, okay, while doing the revision part, you can simply pick up like any one of the cards, and after looking at that word, what you have to do, you simply have to recall the meaning of that word. Okay, so this is like one of the, I would say, scientifically proven ways to help you build up your vocabulary. Okay, so guys, these were few ways. If you follow my tips, then I believe that you will actually end up having a great collection of vocabulary, or I can say that you will be having a very very good collection of your personal dictionary. Okay, so if you, so that's it, this was all about from my side. And if you actually liked my video, then please do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned until I upload my next video. And with the passage of time, guys, I'll try to enhance the level of the quality of my videos. And again, I would like to repeat the same thing which I had said in my last video, that in coming future I'll be making videos on aptitude as well. Okay, on quant and on logical reasoning. So those who want to prepare for CRT, who are preparing for their campus recruitment tests, they can go through all those videos which I'll be making on aptitude. And this series which I'm making for spoken English, those of you who only want to enhance your level of spoken English, they can go through all my videos of this series. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues as much as possible. Thank you so much.